So, you've got your brand new Rubik's Cube and you don't want to mix it up. You do a little bit of a turn, but you don't do too much because you don't want to mess up this lovely Rubik's Cube. But alas, you have to. If you're going to learn how to solve it, you need to mix it up. And when you've mixed it up, it looks like this and it breaks your heart. You go, no! But the most important thing is to understand that there's certain parts of this cube that never move. Which parts never move? Well, they're the centerpieces. Because if I took a Rubik's Cube and break it apart, it looks like this. And the centerpieces never move apart. It's a bit like a dice. That 1 and 6 on a dice are opposite each other because they add up to 7. But on a Rubik's Cube, white and yellow are opposite each other. We can see it here, white and yellow. And we can see it here, white and yellow. Because the core never moves. If we then take blue, opposite blue, and I think of these as my aqua colours, blue and green are always opposite each other. Blue and green are always opposite each other. And my sunset colours, orange and red, are always opposite each other. Orange and red. So you need to mix your cube up and be happy that the centerpieces never move and they're always opposite.